Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Creative Outlier Pro headphones, and we're going to see what you get inside this box. Now this is the box packaging, and it has a side stickers. If you're getting a brand new one, it should have a stickers on the side here. I'm just gonna break it up and then open it. And inside the box it has a very nice smooth plastic covering. So I'm just going to remove the top parts and see what we're going to get inside this box. So in here at the top is the headphones itself, Creative Outlier Pro. It seems to be quite big, so you can see this is what it looks like. You've got the right side and the left side, and I'm just gonna put it in this small tray right now. And then you got the charging case as well. I'm just gonna pull out the charging case. Now the charging case is also quite long and large as well. And on the top here there is a charging port left and right. It has a battery indicator for charging. Okay, so I'm just gonna unwrap this as well. And let's see what else is there in here. So if you pull this one up, underneath there is a small white package, and it is sealed, so we can open it now. And inside this package there is a USB-C type, USB-A and USB-C charging cables. It doesn't come with a charger, but that's okay. You can use your phone charger and you can charge it up. Now there is another package inside here. That's the replacing part. You got the ear tips, so you can replace it. And underneath that is the user guide, a quick user guide. So it's got the readme, and you can download the app from Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. So if you use an iPhone, you can download the app from App Store. If you use Android, you can go to the Google Play Store to download the app. And in here is a quick user guide. And then there is another packaging in here, quick starter guide as well, quick start guide. And it's quite big. It's quite a big user guide here. You can read through it on how to use it. Then there is another one right here. Let's just take a quick look inside here. So I'm just going to open up the ear tips, and see what you get. This ear tip here probably contains different size, so by default it is installed with a medium size. You got small size and a larger size, so you can replace it. If the default one doesn't fit your ear, you can install a smaller one or a larger ear tips. And on the side here it has a touch sensor. So when you're touching it, it will perform certain action. And this is the battery case for it. Now what you do is you just kind of push it, and there is a green light indicator on the battery already, so it already has some power with this charging case. So you can pull out, so it comes out like that. You can pull it out, and then you can place your headphones in the case, and then you can kind of like slide in to close it. So I'll make sure I put it in the right way, otherwise it won't close. So I'm just going to double check to make sure I put it in the right way. So that is the right way there. So we have to hold it this way, and if you hold it this way, it should be in the correct direction. And from there you can close it. It has some light indicator at the bottom, just showing it is now charging. It is flashing in the red light indicator. And that's it. So that is everything inside the box. If you need to charge up your charging case, you will need to plug it into your charging port. And then with this one here, you're going to plug it into the wall charger. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.